Everyone has different mowing needs, from the size of the job to the terrain you're working on. But the one thing we all love is getting a great result. So today, we'll be comparing two of the most popular options for cutting your lawns using a compact tractor. Kubota's compact tractors have four-wheel drive, giving you better traction than you get with a ride-on mower. They're also capable of a wide range of other tasks. Our first option is the mid-mounted mower deck. As the name suggests, it sits under the operator station in the middle of the tractor. Cut grass is thrown out to the side. These are simple to operate, compact in design and great for working in tight spaces. Second up is the rear-mounted finishing mower. It's mounted at the rear of the tractor to the three-point linkage. Cut grass and material is discharged out of the rear, away from the operator. While the rear-mounted option isn't as compact, it's perfect for hard-to-reach areas such as embankments or under low-hanging trees. So let's have a closer look at these options, starting with the mid-mounted mower deck tractor. This is Kubota's BX Series, a 25 horsepower tractor, and it's fitted with a 60-inch mower deck. Most compact tractors with up to 35 horsepower will feature a mid-PTO drive, which means you'll be able to choose between both mid and rear mounted mowing options. Kubota's 3-blade mid-mount decks are available in 54-inch, 60-inch or 72-inch, depending on the tractor model. So whether you need a more compact option for narrow working or a wider cutting width to get the job done quickly, the choice is yours. Once you're working, the mower deck height is adjusted with a dial in precise 6mm increments. The mower deck's ground clearance is a class-leading 150mm, meaning you can easily travel over uneven ground once you finish mowing. Now it's time to take a look at our second option, the rear-mounted finishing mower. Again, we'll be working with our Kubota BX Series. This finishing mower is Land Pride's FDR 16 series. It's designed for tractors in the 15 to 40 horsepower range and is available in 3 cutting widths, 48-inch, 60-inch and 72-inch. Rear-mounted mower decks are a great choice if you need to quickly disconnect your mower, because with a quick hitch system, it only takes a few moments. This means that switching between tasks is a whole lot easier, making great use of your tractor's versatility. The FDR 16 has a fully welded deck and is 5mm thick, giving it incredible strength and durability. This model is equipped with a spring-loaded belt tensioner, which ensures optimum performance and reduces maintenance. Kubota and Land Pride are known for their exceptional build quality, and they back it up with a 5-year gearbox warranty on all their rear-mounted finishing mowers. The cut height ranges from 20 to 130mm and is quick to adjust with the gauge wheel spacers. The gauge wheels are offset front to rear, so there's less chance of laying over grass, getting you a more consistent result. As I mentioned earlier, the cut grass and debris are sent out the back, and with its integrated deflectors, it delivers an even spread of cut grass and an excellent finish. The FDR is great for working on uneven surfaces. Its floating top and lower hitch points allow the mower to move independently of the tractor, ensuring an even cut on any surface. When the job's done, thanks to the 3-point linkage, you can lift the deck right up and get exceptional clearance, meaning you can drive over very uneven terrain without worrying about damaging the mower. So, if you like the idea of removing your mower deck quickly, need extra ground clearance for transporting, and have some hard-to-reach areas, then the rear-mounted FDR finishing mower is going to be the one for you. But if you need to work in tight areas, have less storage space, and prefer to keep your mower attached to your tractor most of the time, then the mid-mounted mower deck is going to be a more suitable choice. If you want to learn more about the Kubota and Land Pride range, speak to your local Kubota dealer.